I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
Sure fit okay, Greg?
Oh, fantastic. Thanks, Jack.
Good. Tom Collins coming up.
A little birdie told me that one of our guests here is a Tom Collins man.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I am not a bartender, and welcome to this episode of Casually Drinking. This episode, I'm gonna be starting a series called Cocktail Cinema, where basically I get a cocktail from a movie that I've seen or enjoy, and I do the best I can to try to recreate it. Yeah.
So in the movie Meet the Parents and Meet the Fockers, Robert De Niro's character, his favorite drink is a Tom Collins supposedly. So yeah, that's what we're gonna make today. In the Meet the Fockers movie, Mr. Focker didn't have like a shaker with them, so I think he just stirred it by hand. So I think I'm just gonna do that away, and we'll see how it turns out. So the ingredients you want to use is dry gin, carbonated soda, which I'm using bubbly. You can use any other carbonated soda, but I'm just using this bubbly lime soda. Simple syrup, and also lemon juice. And let's get straight to pouring. You might be wondering why my simple syrup is a different color. The reason for that is that I used a different kind of sugar, but I think next time I'm gonna start using cane sugar. There you have it, Tom Collins for Meet the Parents and Meet the Fockers. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video of me making a Tom Collins. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new. I'm actually gonna try this. Alright, that was pretty good. Really tasty, very lemony. Kinda like it. I have another sip. Yeah, that was good. That was really good. Oh god. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Later. I'm actually gonna take this with me.